Hello and welcome to Travel Closely informational videos on air travel. Today we will be discussing how to travel with your drone on a plane. Generally, you can take a drone on a plane carry-on or checked baggage, depending on its size. However, according to the TSA, drones are considered portable electronic devices, so you will also need to take your drone along with any electronics, larger than a cell phone, from your bag and place it in a separate bin at the security checkpoint for additional screening. Can you take a drone in checked baggage? You can bring drones in checked baggage, even though it is not recommended to do so, as they can get damaged, go missing or even stolen. Do not pack your spare, uninstalled, batteries in your checked bag. Can you bring a drone on an international flight? You will need to check the local flying laws and regulations of your destination before you travel with a drone, as some places may prohibit or restrict drone use. For more specific information, you can refer to the websites of the airlines that you are flying with, or contact them directly to confirm their drone policies. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel tips.